Hello friends, today we got a monocle Kyogre from Kid Station. I buy it and let's see the Kyogre Pokemon. I hope you enjoy. So this is the Kyogre monocle and this is still in the box, and let's open it. Open it like this. How you open it? This, and you open it from that and like that, and you open. I open it. Put right there. Open this thing. Okay. And voila! This is Kyogre. It's like a water type, like a fish or thing. And this is a Pokemon, like is big, and this is it's water type and can surf to the sea and can feed Groudon. Kyogre is the bestest Pokemon ever. I like it, and thanks for today's video. Bye. Yay.